What's up, guys? Has Luna Classic hit the bottom of this downtrend and is now a good time to start accumulating? We're going to talk about that, so make sure to watch till the very end. All right, let's get straight into it. It's going to be a quick, straight to the point video, so like and subscribe if you like these quick updates. We have Terra Classic here, and yeah, we've been in a downtrend for a few months now. Right now, we are currently on support here at about our support level of 16,000. So we may have bottomed here. It really depends on what Bitcoin does. Bitcoin is leading the whole market. So if Bitcoin dumps to 10K, then yeah, Terra Classic will probably dump down to like around 10 also. I mean, actually kind of funny. The price is pretty similar to Bitcoin, except we're 0.00017. Bitcoin is 16,000. But yeah, it depends on what Bitcoin does. So if Bitcoin has already found its bottom, then Terra Classic likely will have found its bottom too, and could be a great time to accumulate more. But depends on what Bitcoin does. So we're going to look at Bitcoin here real quick. So Bitcoin, talked about this last video. We're in this triangle here, so we should see a big move coming very soon. It appears like we've broken to the upside, but not seeing much volume and not a very convincing breakout. Could be a fake out. We're already starting to head back down. If we come back for the retest and bounce off and make a higher high, then that will confirm this breakout, but could be a fake out and we could suddenly dump back down. Also, you could redraw this triangle a few different ways. Like you could draw it like this, in which case we would not have broken out yet and we'd still see the breakout coming within the next probably 24 hours. So yeah, I'm not really convinced by this little breakout here. And yeah, it's still, we could break to the upside, but it's still more likely we're going to break to the downside. And zooming out on the daily, you can see better that this could be a bearish pennant here, which would actually give us a price target down around 12K. So if we break to the downside, we actually could see a pretty big dump here. Yeah, down to like 12K down here. So this dump may not be over yet. This week, we've just been sitting here going sideways in this triangle here, but could be a little bearish consolidation before the dump continues down. So we should find out here within the next day or so whether we're gonna break out to the upside or downside. We are going into the weekend though, so yeah, weekend breakouts sometimes can be a lot of times fake outs actually, but we'll see what happens. Should be interesting. Should see a big move coming very soon. And yeah, if we dump down to like 12K, I think that's going to be about the lowest we're going to go. That should form the bottom of this bear market, and then we'll start heading up next year. It's also possible that we already hit the bottom. You have to consider that this right here, 15,000, what did it go down to? 15,400. This could have been the bottom. You never know. You never know. I mean, in the past we were seeing these bad things. Terra LUNA collapsing, huge dump. Celsius and all that, huge dump. Now we see FTX, the biggest scam ever. I mean, what in total with all their 130 companies, like 50 billion was lost, and we haven't hardly dumped that much. Like we barely made a lower low here. So the bad news is having a smaller effect, which means, if we're seeing bad news and the price isn't dropping that much, then that could be the bottom. And so yeah, it's possible this was the bottom here and we could start heading back up, but too early to tell. We could see a big move coming soon within the next day where we could see this bearish pennant play out and have a bigger dump. So we'll see what happens. I'll keep you guys updated. If we dump lower, then Terra Classic will likely dump lower as well. But we should see the bottom for this year-long bear market here within the next month or so. And then next year, I'm very bullish on crypto. And we should start heading back up, which means Terra Classic and all cryptos will have a much easier time seeing massive gains. So next, this year, we had a lot of bad times. Still made a lot of money with Terra Classic. But next year, we're going to have a lot of good times. And it's going to be a lot easier making money in crypto again. So hope you enjoyed this update. Like and subscribe if you did. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all later.